Bonjour, bonjour. We are on our way to make some progress on our kitchen. Besides getting all the wallpaper off the walls, we also went to the stores to get the floor and to decide the color of the walls, and tiling in some parts of the kitchen. So the flooring, we went to a store called Brico Dépôt and we loaded the car with it. We have decided to choose a warm wooden floor that we really like. It goes over the existing flooring that is now tiles and vinyl. We are going to put insulation on the floor, and to compensate the high difference between the existing two floor parts, we will put some extra layering on it. Here you can see where the wall stood. We will straighten that out with some concrete. The tile floor is lower, so we are going to add an extra layer of insulation. We ordered the kitchen and it will be white, so we are going to paint the existing part also white, and then it will match perfectly with the kitchen sink. We like a traditional kitchen, but we also like a splash of modernity in it. And I think this is a good combination. Next to the wooden floor, we will give it a bit of a French country style. We're going to use these tiles behind the sink. It will match perfect with the big traditional kitchen sink that I also really like. The color palette is based on these tiles, and the wall will have a combination of these colors. And with the addition of white cabinets and black granite countertop, it will become a modern cozy area to cook and eat with friends and family, or just to work from home in a more relaxed way at the table. So I can't wait to start with painting and putting in the floor. But before we can do that, there are some obstacles. We still have the old traditional wood stove in the kitchen, because it's just way too heavy to lift and move. So I'm going to take it apart, at least removing the parts that you can take out easily. And I clean it as I do, as it contains ashes and other dirty things. Do you know why they put bird feathers in an oven? Well, tell me, I don't know. Okay, so we have moved the oven a bit so I can reach the wall better. So let's go. There is some wallpaper to remove. It was a lot of work removing the wallpaper, especially that some parts of the wallpaper have an extra layer of insulation for damp behind it. So this wall will be done next week. As I mentioned, we ordered our kitchen and it is expected to arrive in about a month. But before we even could place the order, it was a bit of a struggle. As I designed this part of the kitchen to fit into our existing kitchen, I did this on the Dutch IKEA Kitchen Planner website. But I discovered that I could not order from the Dutch website to deliver it in France. Okay, so let's go to the French website and log in and just transfer it. No, that was not working. Long story short, I had to redo the whole kitchen design on the French IKEA website. And next to that, to put the order in the shopping cart, so to speak, it had to be verified. It was not really clear by the French chat lady that you can also talk to an English-speaking person, because we want to have extra countertops ordered. Eventually, after waiting time and chatting, email and calling, we have placed the order. Don't get me wrong, we are very pleased with the IKEA kitchen and service, but I guess it's just a matter of verbal expression that sometimes make the conversation a bit difficult. Still learning French? So now we have a bit of a deadline to get this in shape before the kitchen arrives. Oh, and in the kitchen area we have a special cabinet. Do you have any suggestion what we can do with it? I think it was used to put in medicines or maybe makeup, as it has a mirror. Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. In the meantime, we have received the Starlink and it's already up and running. Such a relief to be able to work properly online. It will only getting better when the fiber is there in a couple of months.
Auto sequence start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flight control, countdown confirmed.
It was a nice sunny day and warm enough for the cats to go outside. It's nice to see everything starting to bloom. And those potatoes are waiting to go into the vegetable garden soon. Can't wait to start that too. So, I will conclude this video with one thing I forgot to mention last video, and that is the secret space. When you watch the vlog, we discovered a secret place, a secret space in one of our houses, but I totally forgot to show you where it is. well, then it's not secret anymore, but I still want to show you. As you remember maybe from the tour, because one of our viewers mentioned that I didn't tell where it was. So here it comes, right? So this is the guest house. And well, now the shutters are closed. And here you have the entrance, and it's the living room. And here you have the bedroom. And behind it you have the bathroom. So, but what you can see, it has a large pointy roof on it. So, maybe you can guess already, there's no stairways up to the attic. So when you enter it, well, it's a bit dark because we have cut the power because we're working on the other part of the house. But if you go to the shower, you can see the beautiful wallpaper, and that was in the video. And up there, that's the hatch to the secret space. So if you open it, you get into the attic. So now we are going to decide if we want to add stairs in here, so in the living room area, to go up, to have extra storage to put stuff in there, or maybe it's livable so we can make a room. But it's not on our priority list now, so we will see what we can do with it. But at least there is a way to go upstairs, and yeah, we will see what it will bring. And as we do work inside, there's also work to be done outside. And as the weather gets better, it's lovely to do some chores outside. Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new videos from our homestead in France. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. And as always, we want to hear from you, so leave a comment. See you next time. Bonne journée!